Welcome to today's English learning podcast. Let me ask you something. Have you ever stayed silent in a group because you were afraid your English might sound wrong? Or maybe you knew what to say, but your mind went blank the moment you tried to speak? If yes, you're not alone. Thousands of learners understand English perfectly, but still can't speak with confidence. And the reason is not grammar, it's fear. Fear of being judged, fear of making mistakes, fear of not sounding perfect. But here's the truth. No one speaks perfectly. Even native speakers make mistakes, repeat words, and forget what they were saying. Fluency doesn't mean perfection. Fluency means being comfortable even when you make mistakes. So, in today's episode, I'll share with you 5 simple ways to overcome fear and speak English confidently. Tip number 1, accept your mistakes. The first step is to stop running away from mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. Think of a child learning to walk. They fall again and again, but they keep trying. That's how they learn to walk perfectly. English is the same. The more you speak, the faster you learn what sounds right. So, next time you say something wrong, smile and correct yourself. That's real confidence. Tip number 2, speak slowly. Many learners think speaking fast means speaking fluently. That's not true. Fast speaking without clarity is not fluency. It's confusion. Speak slowly, clearly, and calmly. When you slow down, your brain gets time to find the right words. You sound more confident, and people understand you better. Remember, confidence is not speed, it's control. Tip number 3, practice with your voice. If you feel shy to talk with people, start alone. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Describe your day, your plans, or even your feelings. Say, "Today I'm feeling happy. I'm going to study English for 10 minutes. I'm learning new words." When you hear your own voice in English, you start feeling comfortable with it. Soon, that fear will fade away. Tip number 4, stop comparing yourself. Many learners look at others and think, "Her English is better than mine," or "He speaks so fast, I can never be like that." But everyone's journey is different. You don't know how long that person has practiced. Maybe they've been learning for years. You just need to focus on your progress. If you can say one sentence today that you couldn't say last week, that's improvement. Celebrate your small wins. They matter. Tip number 5, surround yourself with English. Confidence grows when English becomes part of your daily life. Listen to podcasts like this one. Think in English while doing simple things like cooking, walking, or scrolling your phone. The more you hear and use English, the more natural it feels. And when something feels natural, confidence automatically comes. So, remember these 5 steps. 1, accept your mistakes. 2, speak slowly. 3, practice with your voice. 4, stop comparing yourself. 5, surround yourself with English. Don't wait for the perfect day to start speaking. There will never be a perfect day. Start today, start small, and keep going. The more you speak, the more confident you become. And one day, you'll look back and realize you did it. Thank you for listening to today's episode. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next podcast.